Hi friends, welcome to a brand new episode of my channel. In today's video, we are talking about minimum interval for blood donation. That means if you donated blood today, then after how many days you can donate again. And also in the meantime, we will talk about the minimum age requirements and minimum weight for blood donation. Now the law is not the same in every country. In India, it is something else. In America, it is something else. If you go to Asia Pacific, the law is again changing. If you go to some of the European countries and USA, you can see the minimum age to donate blood is around 17. And with parental consent, you can donate blood at 16 onwards. Again, the minimum weight, if you're talking about, it will be 47 for Western countries. Now, if you are a male person, you can donate blood after 56 days. Now, if you are a female, you have to wait up to 84 days in many countries. Now, if you go to UK, the law is again different. If you are a male, you have to wait for 84 days, and if you are a female, you have to wait for at least 112 days. Now, when we talk about Indian law, things are changing again. You should have at least 18 years of age and must have at least 50 kilograms of weight. Again, in India, you can donate blood after 3 months or 90 days. I have been a blood donor for the past 2 years, and after these 2 years of blood donation experience, I have realized that our body weight and the blood donation interval is strongly related. If your body weight is above 70 kilograms, you can donate blood after 3.5 months, maximum 4 months, and it will be fine. If your body weight is below 70 kilograms and it is between 65 and 70, then you must wait for at least 4.5 months, in my opinion. Now, if your body weight is less than 65 kilograms, but not less than 60, that means between 60 and 65, then you should wait for at least 5 months. If your body weight is less than 60, but more than 55, then you should wait for at least 6 months. If your body weight is below 55, then in my opinion, you should wait for at least 1 year. In my case, my ideal body weight was around 64 kilograms. But after realizing this connection between body weight and blood donation intervals, I have increased my weight to 70-71 kilograms right now, so that I can donate more frequently.